Hello student, here is the question that two parallel straight metal wires and be carrying a current 12 ampere and 13 ampere respectively in the same direction. Okay, so just I am putting these wires like that, that's 12 ampere current flowing into the plane, and here is 36 ampere current flowing in the same direction into the plane. Same direction, separated by 50 centimeters. So here is the distance between them is 50 centimeter. Now the point relative to A, so here is the A wire, A1 is that one, so here is A wire, that's the A, and here is the B wire. Now the point relative to A where the resultant magnetic induction between the wires due to the current is 0, due to the current is 0. So here in magnetic flux, magnetic induction resultant into the near to this. So you have to calculate the value of x. Okay, so point relative to A where the resultant magnetic induction between the two wires is 0. Okay, so will be, so here you have to calculate this value x. So if it is x, so this will come out to be 50 minus x. Okay, now you can see that's the magnetic, that's the current in this direction. So current is into the plane. So you just use your right hand palm rule. So you will get the right hand thumb. Just place your thumb in the direction of the current. Current is inward, and spread your fingers towards the point where you have to calculate the magnetic field. So you can see the direction of the palm. It is coming out to be downward. So here is your direction. That's the direction of the palm. It coming out to be downward. So here coming out to be downward. So here in the magnetic field at that point will be in downward direction due to this BA. Okay, and you can calculate the value of BA. That will be equal to, that BA will be equal to mu naught into I, that's I, that's 12 upon 2 pi, mu naught into I upon 2 pi x, x equal to, that's the value x, you have taken this value x equal to x. Now here is the second wire. Okay, so due to second wire you can see you are again using the right hand palm rule. That's the wire, its direction is inward, and so place your thumb in the direction of current which is flowing. So direction is inward, so thumb is your inward in direction, and just spread your fingers towards the point where you have to calculate the magnetic field. So spread your fingers. So direction of palm will be the direction of magnetic field at that point. So here direction of magnetic field will be BA in this direction. So magnetic field B or B in this direction. Okay, so you can calculate the magnetic field at point B. That's equal to mu naught into I, current in this wire, is equal to 36 upon 2 pi, and that's equal to 50 minus x. Okay, now yeah, you have to find the 0, magnetic induction is 0 at that point. If at that point magnetic induction is 0, so you will say that the value of that magnetic field should be equal to value of that magnetic field. Okay, so for 0 value at that point, let's say there's point P. So at point P is coming out to be, at point P, magnetic field due to A plus magnetic field due to B is coming out to be 0. Okay, so what will you do? Okay, so you have to do, that's the magnetic field, it's in minus jk. So you write that's A in minus jk, A in minus jk, and B which is in plus jk, and that's coming out to be 0. That means magnetic field at A, that should be equal to B. Okay, so just put the values. You will get the mu naught into 12 upon 2 pi x, and that's equal to mu naught into 36 upon 2 pi into 50 minus x. Okay, so just cancel it out. You will get the pi, mu naught will cancel out, and cancel it out by 12 3 times, and just multiply it. You will get the, that's equal to 3x. So 50 minus x, that will be equal to, x will multiply by 3, you will get the 3x. So 4x will be equal to 50. So x will be equal to 50 by 4, and that's equal to 25 by 2, and again divide, you will get 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so it's in centimeter. So here your value of x, here is the value of x from the A. So it should be equal to 12.5 centimeter, and according to that your option number 4 is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.